Here are the items that you're gonna need to build your stand right here. First, we did a base right here. We got this from Hobby Lobby. I got a dowel rod, it's 3/4 inch right there, and that'll be standing up behind. Then we have this metal ring right here that I got at Hobby Lobby also, which will help support him. This is wood beads right there, and those are gonna go on the metal right here. And then for decoration, we thought this would be really cool right here. They sell these blocks right here. We'll either spell out on the base Chucky or Child's Play. So you need the bit right there to drill a hole. You need some wood glue right here. I have some primer to put on the wood. And I'm going to do it in yellow right there, yellow gloss. So we can make a good guy Chucky doll stand.
What are you, fucking nuts?
I'm going to go and find the center right here for the dowel rod. So it's 11 inches, so 5.5. The bit right there to drill for the dowel rod.
Don't be getting into my glass. You got me all paranoid and shit.
So you want to go straight down.
Yes.
Alright, so this piece right here, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little sand over it. Some of the little rough areas right here. Make it a little bit smoother. So I gave it a sand right there. I'm going to put the dowel rod inside right here. And I'm going to get the height that I need for the doll stand right here. So where the metal ring will go on here to hold him right there. Probably around right here. So I'll go ahead and mark. And then cut right there. Alright, so I put some paper down right here. I'm going to glue this dowel rod for the back right there. I have my wood glue. Just to hold in place, I'll just drive a nail in here. Got the Kilts primer right there. Alright, so here's the blocks that we're going to use right here. It spells out Chucky. So I had to paint some of them so they wouldn't be all the same color right there. So now we're just going to, I'm going to go with this like curved shape right here. So let her use the center. A little wood glue. Put it right where we want it. Is that the center, Jim? Shoot a nail in there. I'm going to put this piece in here. base right here, we decided to put like the child block saying Chucky right there. But there's different stuff you can put. There's different props that they sell. Like maybe if you want to put the good guy doll hammer right there, get the batteries. You wanted to put the batteries in there. Or Trick or Treat Studio sells the voodoo knife right here. Maybe you might want to put the voodoo knife right there on the base without the blocks. Those are different ideas. I did want to put blood splatter on the base, but everybody was telling me that since he's the innocent Chucky right there, that they would say that they thought the blood wasn't a good idea. I'm gonna leave it where this has some, where it can rock back and forth, so it can be adjusted. I'm gonna glue on these little wooden balls that I painted red, and I'm gonna glue them with here the epoxy stick putty. So just get a little bit right there. It's got the two colors, and you mix them until they become one. And you'll feel it start getting warm up, start getting hot, and that's when the chemicals are working and it starts becoming where it'll like glue and be hard. I'm going to touch up on these right here with some more red. Alright, so now we're going to let that dry. Okay, so here's the stand right here. I'm going to go against what my wife was saying, and I'm going to add some blood splatter on here. So I'm going to use some red paint. Pour some on my glove right here. And I'm just going to... Okay, so my son says it looks like ketchup. He wants to dip his french fries in it. What do y'all think? Does it look better with the blood? Or plain yellow, the way it was before? Alright, so the stand is finished. Alright everybody, I had to redo this video and re-edit it. I had an issue right here. Can you spot the issue? Let me give you a hint. My Chucky cup right here. The easy fix, I'm just gonna put it right there because blocks are usually stacked, not all perfect right there, so I don't have to move them all. I'm just gonna put the C right over there. Alright, so now that that's done, now all I gotta do is the blood splatter on here to blend it in. And now we have the doll stand fixed, so it spells Chucky the correct way. And I have the other doll stand right here. It's a Seed of Chucky. I had a Seed of Chucky decal made for Glen. So here are the doll stands, and we're gonna go and put Chucky on his doll stand. Your good guy doll.
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Hi-ho.
I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House.